Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today I was going to show you what I've been doing all morning. It's time to redo my lemongrass. It's been several years and I've sold quite a bit. Still got a lot that I'm going to have to do something with, so there may be some up on Etsy. But last year and the year before, Danny didn't mow it off like he usually does, and so the roots had come to the surface and a lot of it died during the snow. We got 2 snows actually. So I had to replant or dig all of it up, and I'm going to show you what they look like and what my row looks like. This is what it was looking like, plus this one has an ant bed in it. I had to be careful. You see how half of it died and some of it's coming back from the back side? The roots were all exposed, all in here like this, and this is just dead. Now there's a little bit of roots that would come out, I'm not sure, but most of it just pretty much dead. So I'm going to take all the dead stuff out and leave the green stuff. This is what my row is looking like. As you can see, I put just little sprigs all the way down so it'll have a new start. I buried them a little bit deep so that they don't wash up so fast. These should last for about 4 or 5 years. Should be beautiful, maybe midsummer into summer, and next year it should be just fabulous. So this is my lemongrass. You see my mess? I got to clean all this up, take it and divide out what's left of the green. But lemongrass, isn't that beautiful? Thank you guys from Crazy Days.